Let's join NASA and JPL scientists in a simulated flight over the surface of Venus. Our flight begins at 3 impact craters. The largest crater is approximately 40 miles across and is about the size of the Los Angeles basin. The bright rims were created from debris that was thrown out when huge meteorites hit the surface. Moving southeast, we pause to view a small volcanic caldera, then rise to focus on Alpha Regio, a highland region in the southern hemisphere that spans 800 miles. The circular feature at lower left is a corona. These features are found only on Venus and are thought to be volcanic in nature. Now we descend for a closer look at the complex terrain of Alpha Regio. Our path then zooms east over jagged ridges to a volcano with a fluted rim, unofficially called the Tick. Our journey through Alpha Regio continues over hundreds of miles of rugged territory. Turning northeast, we leave this tortured area and head to 7 pancake-shaped domes. These volcanic eruptions rise up to a half-mile above the surface and average 15 miles across. They may be made of thick, sticky lava. Such domes have only been seen on Venus. Our flight then continues to the west and ends near the rim of an impact crater. Straight ahead is Sif Mons, a volcano that towers more than a mile above the surface of Venus. As we approach its sprawling base and climb to slowly circle the peak, many lava flows and other scars reveal the volcano's violent past. We turn south to look at another crater. Then a quick flight to the east brings us to the mouth of an extraordinary 600-mile-long rift valley. We arrive at another volcano named Gula. Here we skim its mile-high summit. We descend to view the lava flows and rigid terrain of its northwest face. A volcanic caldera, now in sight, is further evidence of Venus's active geologic history. We now turn east and follow a dark streak of unknown origin that leads to 2 impact craters and a lava flow that has traveled many miles from its source. Looking northeast, we ascend for a panoramic view of the area. This is Isla Regio, an elevated zone in the northern hemisphere of Venus. The last part of our trip takes us over Artemis, a broad sweeping canyon that's of great interest for geology and geophysics. This canyon is so beautiful that it would be a tourist attraction if it were on Earth.